A very good morning student, or you all welcome to the online class. Today we are going to discuss about the pancreas in human digestive system. Here in this lesson topic is organ system in animals. Okay, in that lesson we are processing the human digestive system, right? This is the pancreas. Just have to recall in a previous topic what we have seen in last class, a small intestine and liver structure and functions, right? So today we are going to discuss about the what? Pancreas. Here they are pancreas. How they are look like, ma? Just here they are indicated in orange color, right? This is the structure of pancreas. How they are look like? They are present in the form of lobe-like structures. Lobe irukka. So they are present in the form of lobe-like structure, lobed body. And not only that, like in a leaf. They are just like a leafy body also, a leaf shape. They are suited between the, where they are presented here, we already draw the diagram of a digestive system. They are located between, that is the stomach and duodenum. Between the stomach and duodenum, pancreas. This pancreas belongs to the glands. Glands, they are usually humans contain two type of a gland, exocrine and endocrine. What kind of glands are presented in the human? First one is the endocrine and next one is the exocrine. Ipo endocrine, exocrine. What is the meaning? First pakalama. Endo na enna, exo na enna. Just see here. Endo nale inside, in. Exo, which mean out. Crine, which mean secretion. Crine, which mean what? Secretion. So secretion of internally, secretion of outside. What they are secreted na? In that hormones. Here a pancreas are belong to the both endocrine and exocrine. Pancreas, what? They are belongs to the both endocrine and exocrine. First endocrine na enna paathachu, meaning enna paathachu, exocrine na meaning enna paathacha. Just know that where they are secrete and where they are secrete. The exocrine and endocrine. Endocrine inside secrete ஆகுதுன்னு பார்த்தாச்சு. How they are secrete. Endocrine எதை சொல்கிறோம், எதை பேஸ் பண்ணி சொல்கிறோம், exocrine எதை பேஸ் பண்ணி சொல்கிறோன்னா, here they are not having any particular duct, which mean they are not having way. Particular duct, இந்த மாதிரி வால்வ் இல்லைம்மா டிரான்ஸ்போர்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு, சரியா? எக்ஸோக்ரைனுக்கு they are having a particular duct to carry the hormones. For an example, just take in a pancreas also. A pancreas secreted two hormones, that is the what hormones? The first thing, insulin and glucagon, இல்லைங்களா? Insulin and, just write it here, glucagon. So this is the what? Two hormones are secreted in the pancreas. Two hormones. They are not having any proper duct, just they are mixed with the blood. Here they are mixed with the food materials. And another gland, pituitary gland is the thymus. Another thing, adrenal gland. A number of gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, number of glands will be there. Just they are mixed with the blood and transport to the target place. And here exocrine, they are having a particular duct. What is an exocrine? They are present in that a sweat gland, sebaceous gland, all the glands or comes under this exocrine. Duct gland ellame comes under the exocrine, and if they are not having a duct, they are just mixed with the bloodstream and transport to the targeted organs. Okay, அது எல்லாமே இதில் வருது, என்ட்ரோக்ரைன்ஸில் தான் வருது, சரியா? அப்போது இங்கே இன்சுலின் அண்ட் குளுக்ககான், they are not having a proper duct, we say. Then how they are belongs to the both endocrine and exocrine. ஏன் அது both endocrine exocrine சொல்கிறோம்னாக்கா, here hormones, this is what ma? Hormones இல்லையா? இதோடைய மெயின் ஃபங்க்ஷன் என்னன்னா குளுக்ககான். ஹியர் குளுக்ககான் மெயின் ஃபங்க்ஷன் டு மெயின்டைன் தி பிளட் குளுக்கோஸ். இப்போது பிளட்ல வந்து சுகர் லெவல் கம்மியானாச்சுனாக்கா, ஸோ தேர் இன்க்ரீசிங் தி பிளட் சுகர். அண்ட் இன்சுலின், இஃப் தேர் ஹேவிங் எக்ஸஸ் அமௌண்ட் ஆஃப் glucose in the blood, just they are reducing the blood glucose level. So they are directly act on that blood. இல்லையா? அப்போ எதுக்குமே they are not having any proper duct. அப்போ endocrine. And here exocrine. How they are said exocrine? In that pancreas they secrete another hormone enzymes also, lipase, trypsin, அந்த மாதிரி amylase, சில என்சைம்ஸ் எல்லாம் இந்த பான்க்ரியாஸ் செக்ரீட் பண்ணுறாங்க. எங்கன்னு பார்த்தோன்னா எக்ஸோக்ரைனில். ஓகேம்மா, தேர் ஆக்ட் ஆன் தி ஃபேட் ஃபுட் மெட்டீரியல்ஸ் எல்லாத்துலேயுமே ஆக்ட் பண்ணி, ப்ரோட்டீன் அந்த மாதிரி ஃபுட் மெட்டீரியல்ஸ் ஆக்ட் பண்ணி தேர் கன்வெர்ட் ஆஸ் அ எனர்ஜி, ஸ்டார்ச்சாக கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணும். சரியா? அப்போது தே ஆர் இன்வால்வ் இன் தட் போத் எண்டோக்ரைன் அண்ட் எக்ஸோக்ரைன். ஸோ தட் தே ஆர் said as a pancreas is belong to the both endocrine and exocrine. They are asking a one marks, then an important one marks to you. Which gland does act as a both exocrine and endocrine? You just write a pancreas. Okay va? And now we say na some of the enzymes are secreted in that exocrine part in the pancreas. The first enzyme pathonaka lipase, and next trypsin, and next one is the amylase. So these are all the enzymes are secreted in the exocrine part of a pancreas. They act on the fat and proteins. Proteins மேலையும் fat மேலையும் act பண்ணி just convert in the form of starch. Starch convert பண்ணுறாங்க. ஓகேவா? அதனால தான் they are said as a both exocrine and endocrine. சரியா? And just now I have to say a diagram. This is the diagrammatic representation of what? A pancreas. Here they are having some cells, right? Just indicate in a blue color. They are having one cells for that. The name is sleds of Langerhans. What is the name for this? Sleds of Langerhans. GER ma. Sleds of Langerhans which have the endocrinal cell. In this sleds of Langerhans only they are having a cells in that endocrinal cell. Insulin and glucagon secrete பண்ற cells யார்கிட்ட தான் இருக்கு? Sleds of Langerhans கிட்ட தான் இருக்கு. சரியா? Which one sweet you are mostly like? How we have to understand that easily na? Sweet you are mostly like it, right? So alpha cell are secrete the glucagon. Another thing, beta cells are secrete the insulin. Alpha cells they secrete a what? Glucagon. Another one is a beta cell, they secrete the insulin. Okay va? Sweet நம்மளுக்கு பிடிக்கும். அப்போ glucagon ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்க வேண்டியதான். அப்போ alpha தான் first. சரியா? So that's it for an overview about the pancreas. And next one, they are secreted some of the hormones na. Here the enzyme lipase, trypsin, amylase, and they are secrete some glucagon also. They are secreted in the duodenum. In this duodenum part they are secrete some enzymes. இந்த enzymes எல்லாமே secrete பண்ணி food மேலே act பண்ணி they are converted as a starch ன்னு பார்த்தாச்சு. And then food are enter into the varma in that a large small intestine இல்லைங்களா? அப்போ small intestineல they are secrete some enzyme ன்னு பார்த்தோமா? what is an enzyme? There is the maltase, lactase, அதெல்லாம் பார்த்தோம் இல்லையா? what is a major function of that? They are just convert the food material into energy particle. அப்போ digestion எங்க நடக்குதுன்னு பார்த்தோம்? small intestineல பார்த்தோம். And next absorption also taken place, right? So let me move that absorption of food. We move the absorption. Yes, here the next topic we are having a absorption of food. Why they are given an absorption of food to be here na? Just see a diagram. Here what we have said already. The food get mixed in that some of the enzyme with the help of an pancreas and bile, and then only they are enter into the small intestine we are said, right? In that small intestine they are having some of the success intricate ன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. success intricate na a mixing of an enzymes particle, that is the success intricate ன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. சரியாப்பா? அப்போ இது எல்லாமே மிக்ஸ் பண்ற பார்ட் எங்கன்னு பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா with the help of an duodenum. அப்போ duodenum மிக்ஸ் ஆனதுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் then only they are enter into the a small intestine. அப்போ small intestine we are seen a part na ileum பார்த்தோம், jejunum பார்த்தோம் இல்லையா? then only they are getting an absorption அங்கே தான் நடக்கும் இல்லையா? அப்போ அதனால தான் நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போகிறோம்? then they are given a absorption of food. Let we see that how their absorption has taken place. They are already said overview about their absorption in ileum part. ileum partலயே நம்ம பார்த்திருப்போம். சரியா? And now we are going to discuss about the absorption of food, then a process of nutritional absorption. Would their process? Nutrients get absorbed in that part after the digestion are absorbed by the, where their absorption is taken place, we are say that villi part, ileumல இருக்க villi part, they are circulate. What they are getting circulate here? Absorbing of nutrition gets circulate throughout the body with the help of two things, blood and lymph. With the help of blood and lymph system, just they are help to circulate the nutritions of an food material. Blood nala circulate பண்ணாத பிளேஸுக்கும் lymph they are carrying the nutritional material. Okay va? And here they are supply the respective places of a body. So this is what absorption of food. Just simple thing, absorption of nutrition with the help of a villi, that capillary. villi la inside la பார்த்தனாக்கா minute blood vessels இருக்கும், அதான் capillary. ஓகேமா, இந்த capillaries என்ன பண்ணும்? There is the blood and lymph system என்ன பண்ணும்? Carry the nutritions carry out பண்ணி எல்லா சிஸ்டமுக்கும் they are sending in nutritions. எல்லா பார்ட்ஸுக்கும் blood போக முடியுமானா முடியாது. Some of the parts are not receiving the blood at the time, their lymph system are sending a nutrition. For an example, eyeballs. Okay, they are sending a nutrition to the eyeballs also in the with the help of a lymph. And next we are going to discuss about the assimilation. What is an assimilation? That is the blood and lymph, they are carry the food to the entire parts of our body. How they are assimilate? That only an assimilation of food.